In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use lane guidelines in Google Maps. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Maps and search for your destination. Once the location appears, tap or click directions, then enter your starting point. Make sure you select driving as your mode of transportation so Google Maps generates a route for vehicles. If you're using the Google Maps website on a computer, you can review your route before your trip. After the route is displayed, zoom in on highways, major intersections, and complex interchanges. In some locations, Google Maps may display lane indicators or directional arrows to help you understand which lanes lead to upcoming exit or turns. You can also click each step in the directions panel to view detailed turn-by-turn instructions and preview important road changes along your route. Keep in mind that full lane guidance experience is available primarily in the Google Maps mobile app during active navigation. When you're driving with navigation turned on, Google Maps may highlight the correct lane to use, display lane arrows, and provide voice guidance before exit, merges, and intersections. These real-time lane indicators are designed to help you move into the correct lane well before your next turn. If you want to better understand a complicated intersection before you begin your trip, you can also switch to satellite view. For that, navigate to this option layers, then set it to satellite. This makes it easier to see how lanes split, merge, and connect before you start driving. And that's it. This way you can easily use lane guidance in Google Map. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.